Hi, you're watching this video because you're planning to become a product manager, or you have already started the position of the product manager, or you're about to hire a product manager. Well, anyways, you're watching this video because you're interested in the wonderful position of product manager. This video covers who a product manager is, what is the goal of this position, and how the product manager actually fulfills all the responsibilities and brings the results to the team. Basically, a product manager is the connection between the product team, the development of the product, the sales team, and also the marketing. So a product manager actually has all the information regarding the sales, the development, and the marketing of the product, and that is the product manager who decides how to develop the product, how people can market it, and how it should be delivered to the sales team so that they can fulfill their KPI. Well, from the helicopter view, a product manager is the person who develops the product and actually develops the business, right? So the product manager decides how to develop the product so that it can be marketed easily and the target audience can be reached with no hesitation and no troubles, and the product can be sold easily. Well, the main role of the product manager is to launch products successfully. For this, the product manager should study the market and talk to the target audience and the current users, of course. Also, the product manager analyzes the market and develops the product strategy. Well, once the product strategy is developed, the product manager is overseeing the development of the product. And once the product is developed, it is launched, and that is the product manager who checks how successful it's been launched and how successful it's been adopted by the users. Well, the user research is probably the #1 priority of a product manager. So if you're about to step into this position, make sure that you know exactly what jobs to be done is, what UX research is, what data analysis is, and you're able to track any of the data from various sources and you know how to get the data. And you're also aware of some other types of research, such as customer development, problem interview, solution interview, etc. And research gives you plenty of the information that actually gives you the answer how to develop the product. And that's where you start working on the product strategy. Well, before you actually start working on the product strategy, you're going to answer 3 questions. So first of all, you're going to find out the A point. Where is the product now? Then you're going to define the destination point. Please make sure that is not something like 2056, but it's pretty close to where you are now. And then you're going to answer the question how you're going to move from point A to point B using the development, marketing, and also the sales. So this picture is the product strategy briefly. I'm sure you're going to have a 100-page strategy, probably 99. A product manager is directly connected with the development of the product. So you're going to know how to develop the product, and that means your #1 task is to define the backlog of the tasks, then prioritize all the tasks according to the business strategy of the company or the focus of the company. So probably you're going to bring more revenue or enhance some technology you're working on. Well, that really depends. After all the prioritization is done, you're going to oversee how the certain tasks are going to be implemented. Once the feature or the product has been developed, you're going to launch it and you're going to measure the success of the launch. For this, you are going to be pretty much aware of few of the metrics. Well, of course, if you're working with the SaaS product, you're going to track the monthly average users. Another metric is customer retention rate, and probably the #1 thing you're going to pay attention to is indeed the return on investment. If you'd like to get more information about the metrics and how you can measure it, just download the free guide here in the description to this video. And one more thing. You're going to be the best product manager in the world if you like this video, and you're going to be the #1 product manager of the universe if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with those who are also interested in the topic of the product management. In the next video, I'm going to tell you more about the skills a product manager has. See you!